welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for stopping by. I really truly appreciate that. And by the way, I'm wearing my soooo shirt. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like my soooo shirt. So by the way, I'm getting out of topic. So I got a package from the mail last Wednesday. So I decided that I wanted it to share to you. Open it together. I think that will be fun. But first things first, I wanted to share to you some skincare products that I got. Yes. So this is going to be a mini haul, skincare mini haul. So the first product that I got is this cream, face cream that has collagen and vitamin C into it. They say that it's marketed for older or mature skin types. They say here that for 50 years old and above. Do you think, do you believe that? Yeah, for 50 years old. But I already tried their other products, like that one was a little light, like a lotiony texture, but this one is a cream one, so I am excited because I really like this one. It really absorbs fast into the skin, so I hope that this one works great too. So the next product that I got is this eye patch, under eye mask. Yes, because lately my under eye areas here is really been drying so much, so I really wanted something that would really hydrate this area here because the weather is still very cold and it's really drying here. So I hope this product works. And then the next product would be this what's this? Black gel pack. It's a facial mask in black. I don't know what's in this mask, but it says orangey full enzyme. I don't know, but yeah, it's just basically a face mask that has charcoal in it. So I am pretty much excited. So I'm pretty much excited to try this whenever, you know, those days where you feel like your skin looks a little tired. It's the best way to rejuvenate again your skin, to make it fresh and what you know, yeah, whatever. So the last product that I got is this foot mask. Yes, I get 4 of these. Sometimes especially at work, when you're always standing, you really your heels and your feet gets really dry. So this is the best to pamper your feet. And then, so now, ding 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 ding, let's open our freaking box. Here it is. Oh my god. Open this mystery box. What's inside this? How am I going to open the box? Chuto matindi. You open the box. So, since I don't have any cutter, I'm just gonna be using this laser here. This freaking box. So yeah, let's just do this. Let's just do this, man. Why won't you open, man? Oh! Pretty exciting. Pretty exciting. Just feeling, getting mentally crazy. Yeah. My billing. What's this? What's this called? Receipt? No, this is not a receipt. What else? Ding 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 ding. Drum roll, please. Ding 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 ding. Oh yeah. Oh, prepare to be amazed. Not really amazed. I'm just pretty much excited. You know, I've really been wanting to have this for a long time. And thank you so much for my husband for buying. Kidding! Yeah. Oh, can you see? Oh my god, it's the focus. I bought the Canon EOS 70D DSLR. I'm pretty much excited to try this because I really wanted to have or to produce a more full HD videos for my makeup videos. So I'm pretty much excited. Finally, I got this camera, and hopefully in the future, because this is my first time using DSLRs, I don't have any much experience on it, but maybe in the future I'm gonna be writing a review or making a review video on this camera in the near future, because maybe one of you is, you know, maybe at this point deciding to buy this camera, because it's not a joke in buying this camera. It's a little pricey, but I got it a little cheaper because I bought it online. I went to the store and it's a little expensive there, so I just decided that I'm just gonna buy it online. So very much excited. I can't wait to use this camera. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video like I did. I am pretty much excited already to use this camera, but I know that I really needed a lot of, you know, researching and reading in order for me to use this camera because it's really my first time. The one that I'm using right now is a camera from Fujifilm. It's a bridge camera. For those who did not know what a bridge camera is, it's a camera in between point and shoot and DSLR. So yeah, pretty excited. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channels for more videos that are coming up. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time on my next video. Take care, everyone.